As if your live stream has few viewers and little interaction, this is the software that can help you increase your view count and engagement. This is the interface of my software. Here, each account can be assigned its own proxy, and the software here does not limit the number of accounts. To buy a good live stream session, there need to be people coming in and out, and your accounts have to look like real people, right? So in my software, the account management section, like this account interaction part, is where you have to nurture the accounts. For example, if I click on add script here, you can see that I've already prepared 14 scripts for 14 days of warming up the accounts. Whatever real people do, my software can do exactly the same. From things like watching this video, you can set it to watch a video for 30 to 40 seconds, or have each video watched for about 5 to 7 seconds, or actions like liking, sharing, or commenting on any random video. That's it. Because basically, right, these are real people, aren't they? So they will watch these videos, they will scroll through the newsfeed, and when they see a good video, they'll like it, they'll like, share, and comment, right? My software does exactly the same thing. Another detail is the keyword interaction feature, which helps your setup accounts interact precisely with your target audience. For example, here I have keywords like cosmetic and beauty, right? So what my software does is, first it will scroll through the newsfeed, then it will search for these two keywords, and it will watch all the videos related to that topic. After that, it will join the live stream sessions of users from there, and in this way, it will attract the right target audience. Because basically, when you search for, let's say you search for cosmetics, and then you scroll through your newsfeed as usual, I guarantee that the first 10 videos or the first 5 videos you see will all be mainly related to cosmetics or beauty. That's it. So, we can take advantage of TikTok's algorithm to increase the interaction on our live streams. For some videos, right, they will restrict videos that have a shopping cart attached, so you won't be able to watch them. So here I have a better solution. You can watch live stream interaction. Here you'll just watch your competitors' live streams. You let it watch live streams first, for example, watch a certain number of live streams, watch videos for a certain number of seconds, like, and even comment. After that, you can interact with the UID you want. That's it. That's all you need to do. Once you're done, just click save and you're finished. That's it. And next, how to increase interaction on your live stream is the most important thing. So you go to the setting function, and here you can enter your live stream link. Here, so in this section, I'll paste a live stream session here like this. After that, here you can, of course, in this section, you can paste your own live stream session here. But if you want it to be most effective, you should paste it in, right? But if I'm live on a different session, I won't open it. If I have multiple channels, it's fine if I don't open the other live sessions. So here, for example, you can watch the live stream for 260 seconds, 300 seconds, and then send hearts, comment, etc. But TikTok has an issue, which is that you only get counted as a viewer if you comment. It also depends on how you set up your account. Then you just enter the comments here. For example, like this. And if you only wanted to send hearts, you check this box. And if you only wanted to comment, then do it like this. If your live stream session already has a lot of views and you want to boost the comments, you can do it this way. You just need to boost it like this. And then either you set it to random, or you turn on the mode where it comments once every 1 to 20 seconds. Just like that, for example. So after you're done, right, you select the account options that you've prepared. Then you choose the account and just start. The software will automatically enter the live stream, send hearts, and interact with that live stream.